Today on Corporate Review, join us as we explore innovative technologies, cutting-edge solutions, and timely discussions from leaders across the globe. This is Corporate Review.
Credit unions' data is growing exponentially, but on the whole, they lack the infrastructure to effectively integrate, store, and analyze that data. Well, here today to discuss how his company, OnApproach, is helping credit unions effectively manage and analyze their data, we have founder and CEO Paul Black. Welcome, Paul.
Thanks, Jackie.
Paul, why is it so difficult for credit unions to manage and make sense of the data they collect?
Your typical credit union has a number of systems they have to deal with, and the systems are really driven by the products that they sell to their members. So you have credit cards, you have auto loans, you have mortgages. Then there's your checking account transactions. You may have debit accounts. So each of these systems is used every day in the credit union, and the members use them. But to actually integrate that data and actually learn about their members and perform analytics is nearly impossible. The number one reporting tool today is spreadsheets in credit unions. And so a lot of things are done manually. Now think about spreadsheets compared to what Amazon does. When you go into Amazon, they know what you want based on what you've done in the past. Well, there's analytics behind that.
They
right?
don't forget a thing.
No, and they make you want to buy more.
Exactly.
And so that's the issue for credit unions today, is that they're entering an age where analytics and information is becoming really critical, and they're not set for it.
So how are you helping them to organize and effectively use this data?
So yeah, the big challenge for a credit union today is they don't have the money to really invest in the data warehouse technology that's required to integrate all this data. It's very expensive. It's expensive to build, and it's expensive to maintain. The 5-year cost of building and maintaining a data warehouse is about $2 million. That's out of the reach of most credit unions. Furthermore, they don't have the skills internally to do this. So what we did is we said, why don't we create a data model that would work with any credit union, regardless of the vendor system that they use. So basically, it's what we call vendor agnostic. So it could be installed at any credit union on their premises, and it would be the entire data warehouse that would provide the platform for the analytics that they want to do down the road.
Well, in this Corporate Review Field Report, we take a closer look at OnApproach and their data warehouse and analytics platform specifically for credit unions.
Yeah, Ideal Credit Union was looking at developing a relationship or a rewards program for our members. So we wanted to develop a program that actually rewarded them based on the amount of business they brought to the credit union. And M360 was able to solve that problem and help us develop this program for our members.
Pooling information with other credit unions will absolutely help in predictive analytics, in that members are members across the country. By being able to share information with other M360 customers, we get an insight on a larger pool of what members might want in the future and what products and services we might bring for them and their families.
So why should they care about big data? What is that going to do for them?
The branches are going to become less important as members do more mobile banking. So now I have members that don't come into branches. Well, how can I reach out to them and provide them useful information to help them in their everyday lives? So maybe I could start recommending products that actually help them achieve their life goals, which is one of the missions of the credit unions.
Well, Paul, it sounds like OnApproach has a strong grasp on big data and how credit unions can really use it to their benefit. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you, Jackie.